Hi friends, hello, namaste. Today I'm going to share with you simple technique which will help you to heal yourself, to remove the negative energies or the harmful energies, unwanted energies from your body, and it will also help all your family members. You can also with this technique you can also protect your house, cleanse your house. So there are many advantages of this technique. Now what is this technique? This is a water technique, water charging technique in fact. So what is this technique about? As you know, water, our body is mainly composed of water. All our cells are mostly composed of water. Water is present everywhere, even in air around us. We have tiny droplets of water. Even in the cells of plants and animals, water is present. So, water is an essential life force energy, a very good source of energy. It can also be converted into different forms of energy, of course. So, most of the Reiki practitioners or healers of other modalities would know how to charge the water. Okay, but today this is mainly for the non healers. So, how do you charge your water with the healing and divine energies? It's very simple. Once you place your intention on anything and focus on that intention, it really works. Especially when your intention is pure, a helpful nature, and when your intention is for the benefit of all, it works wonders. And this water therapy is really very good. In fact, it will work miracles if you do it. So please stay here. I'm going to say you the water which you use daily for different purposes, for drinking, especially for drinking. I think drinking, I can say, where you store the water for drinking, whether it be a vessel, a matka, a pot, or any other thing. Charge that vessel which holds water for all. Charge that vessel with the healing and divine energies. Hold the vessel with your hands in a cupped form in this way. Close your eyes. You can say any God's mantra or Guru mantra which you believe in. You can say it for 11 times first so that you get a focus, and then put an intention. Say that intention to the water vessel which you're holding. Holding in the sense you just have to place your hands, not hold actually. So you place your hands and we put that intention. Water energy, I request you to please heal and keep all my family members, whoever drink this water, please keep them healthy, make their immunity stronger, bless them and protect them and heal them. Just say this intention with strong belief, full faith, and hold your hands at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Feel that some energy is passing from your hands to the water. Feel that. Hold it for 2 3 minutes. You can repeat the intention also if you wish to. So, in this way, the water is then filled with divine energies and it's filled with all the healing properties also. You can use this water for drinking then. Now there's one other thing. So water, now this you can just imagine how much you can make use of water therapy in this way. You can even charge a glass of water or something like that with your intention, the same way as we did. You can sprinkle sprinkle everywhere in every room of your house, saying with the intention or keeping the intention in mind that this water is protecting my house from all the harmful and negative energies and keeping my house protected and healed. It will work wonders. It works wonders. Water gets very easily connected with your intention, and we can use this water therapy in a very nice way. The other technique also I can tell you is to just bless your food before having food, or while you have prepared the food in the vessel. Place your hands in the same way, cup your hands. See that the vessel is not so hot that time. Cup your hands, place it near the vessel, and feel that the energy is passing from your hands to the vessel, saying, put your intention that this food is very divine and it has all the healing properties, and it will heal all my family members who has it, all my family members, it will heal them, and it will protect them from all the harmful and negative energies. Hold it for 2-3 seconds, 2-3 minutes, of course, 2-3 minutes, and then you can even say thank you after that. Thank you for the food, thanks for the water, and thanks to anybody whom you wish to say, because gratitude always is very important. Having gratitude, whenever you do this, hold a very pure intention, a very good and respectful intention. When you're saying this, keep your intention strong and don't doubt it. It will work wonders. Believe me. Try it today. Thank you.